going by here too fast.
That's what's up. My life, grinding all my life. Sacrifice. Bro, this real fast. Got that row work in, footwork drill, little shadow boxing. Time to go stretch it out and some yoga. Let's go. How's it going, guys? I just finished my run. I'm over here about to hit this yoga class, about to tear it up. I do about 2 classes a week, sometimes 3. You know, it helps me stretch with my breathing, flexibility. It's just a great thing to add into your training regimen.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I am one of Ian's yoga instructors and friends. I've known him for 8 or 9 years now. Extremely dedicated, and he's very passionate about everything he's doing.
Just here with my dad. We just finished up a great yoga class. It's great to see him back in the yoga room. My dad actually got me started in yoga about 9 years ago. He took me to my first class and just been hooked ever since. My dad recently had a stroke, and so he's just fighting a good fight right now and just working his way back in the yoga mat and just recovering. It's a slow process, but he's working hard, and we're both fighters, so we're gonna come back and we're gonna win the fight. That's right.
You bet, champ.
Yeah.
In Heinisch.
August 17th. So just finished some light training this morning. My new sponsor, Trifecta, they give me all these pre-made meals. I custom make them. You know, I have a paleo diet, so I make sure they deliver all paleo meals. Come straight to my door every Friday morning. Super convenient, keeps my diet on point. It's really healthy. And about midday, I start to crash a little bit after morning training. And that's when I like to take my Total Human. I'll take the daytime support about midday with lunch. And the nighttime support is when I just need to cool down at night, get a good night's sleep and relax. In the very morning, I use all my supplements up here, my vital enzymes, my Bs, my D3s, my liver detox, and I don't just guess on what I take. I use Restore Health. My fiance works there. I get this healthy athlete panel which takes my blood, and they use all the data from my blood work, my inflammation levels, my hormone levels, all my deficiencies and my vitamins. So that's what I know exactly what to take. I'm not guessing. I'm taking exactly what my body needs. And then about midday, when I get all the vitamins I need, that's when I turn to the Total Human. That just gives me the extra boost for my evening practices and just makes me feel super good and have energy all day. And especially mixing these meals in throughout the day, it just it's a combination for a champion. That's how we breed a champion, and I thank all my sponsors. Like to come down on these bike paths, scooter all around. They have them all over Denver, and just relax, clear my mind, have a beautiful view of the city, and just kind of get nature a little bit. Down these paths more, it's more green and just kind of excluded, and just clear my head, man, especially before my fights. It's super important to keep my mind right. You know, we train our physical and our technique and our conditioning, but you got to train your mental on your own, and that's what I do. You know, I get out in nature, I pray to God, I you know, go to church, I listen to tapes. So all these things help me with my mental, get my mind right, deciding that I'm gonna win this fight no matter what.
fuck.